Hey everybody, this video is to show you the fix for a issue that is popping up a lot with my 2013 XC60 T6 R-Design. I don't think it's specific to this model. I think it's other platforms, the S80, but I've been having it pretty regularly throughout the past couple of years of ownership, and after doing a bunch of research online, it looks like a equalizer is the solve. So this is our equalizer. Part number is right there. Here's your equalizer. It's about the size of a matchbox with a cable on one end and a connector cable on another end. The intermittent issue is a glitchy screen, as you can kind of see right there. A couple times, there it is again. And then on hot days, it's 69 degrees Fahrenheit. But on hotter days, 80s, 90s, I live in Southern California, it will just show me the blue screen of death, which is just this bright blue screen with a camera in the center with a red line through it. And it just does not work at all. So I'm in park right now. I just hit the camera button just to show you. When I'm in reverse, it kind of does the same thing. There it is right there. So yeah, we're gonna try and show you the repair install of this equalizer, and hopefully it goes away. Tools that you'll need are, honestly, I think it's just some zip ties and some clips. All right, so I'm in the back of the vehicle. Driver's side rear panel comes off like so, and I believe we're just going to pop into that connector there, unplug it, put the equalizer in, and then zip tie it in. So yeah, so this one's pretty easy. Once you clip the factory zip tie here, this will kind of become more free. You'll just push your clip right there with your thumb here, separate the two, and then pop the new piece in. It's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, hopefully it works. All right, your install is complete. I actually used the factory zip tie holder clip in the frame there, and it fits in perfectly. So I did not disconnect the battery, so hopefully I didn't just throw a code, but TBD. Okay. So, no codes. It did ding more than normal, the startup dings. I think it usually dings 3 times, and it just dinged like 5. Not sure if that has anything to do with anything, but something I just noticed. I'm gonna hit the camera button here, and first time out of the gate, I don't see any, oops, I don't see any flickering. Let me hit the reverse. So far so good. Make sure the camera zoom works. I think we have success. That's it.